Let's talk about adding a category to your website. Just go to your dashboard, which is located right in the middle of your website, and then click Add Collection. Press Collection and then Add Category. Now you can enter any category you want. You can name it beauty, fashion, health, etc., etc. It's up to you. And then after that, after your name, your category, you can change the status of the name. So you can choose it to be published or not published, and then just click Save, and there you go. You have a new category that is now published. Now, aside from the main category, you also have subcategories. Choose the main category you want. If it's beauty, fashion, health, so on and so forth, click on the main category and then add subcategory. Name the subcategory. If you want it, for example, fashion, or for example, beauty, you can choose eyes, lips, face, whatever you want. Choose the main category, name the title, and then choose the status you want. If you want it to be published or not published, and then click Save. Now you also have the option to edit or delete the main category if you want to.